Hi everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please do consider hitting the like, share and subscribe buttons, and if you're new here, do check out my other videos. I really appreciate all your support. Quick shout out to my channel members, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Before I forget, here are some discount codes for colour art, resiners and APS foils should you want to save some money on art supplies, as I'm an affiliate. Welcome everybody, so here I have a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas and I have taped the back of it. I've also added these canvas stands and they clip on and hold the canvas firmly. I've checked that the canvas is level and it is. So I'm now going to do another cloud pour and I'm hoping this will work, fingers crossed. So my pouring medium is actually Owatrol, okay, from the UK and the EU. And I've added Owatrol, about 2 parts to 1 part paint, and the paint consistency is quite thick but runs off the stirring stick. And the colours I have are cadmium yellow medium hue, natural red medium, primary magenta, lamp black, permanent blue violet, 24 karat gold, vermilion, and here I have my mix for my clouds, my cloud pour mix, and that's 1 part Satin Enamel mixed in with 1 part Arteza pearl paint and 2 parts Owatrol to the same consistency. Okay, so let's get started. I've got here a cup, plastic cup. I'm going to start layering it. Let's pop it here, and I'm going to start with my cadmium yellow, nice thick colour. I'm going to lay that about a 50-cent piece at the bottom. So let's pour that in. It's a beautiful day here in South Wales. I don't want too much of that on the bottom really, because the colours at the bottom of the cup are the ones that are going to come out last and remain on my canvas. So I want very thin layers. Maybe a tad more of the red, I do like the red. I'm trying not to mix my colours too much whilst I pour them. This is the primary magenta. Very beautiful colour. There we go. Then we've got the lamp black from Amsterdam. And we do need a contrasting colour, so a bit of that goes in next. And then we'll have the permanent blue violet. And then a little bit of my cloud mix. Then we're going to go back around and do this all over again. So I'm now going to put in some of my 24 karat gold from Extreme Machine DecoArt. I think that's enough. And then some beautiful vermilion. And then I'm going to go back around and add some cadmium yellow, and then we'll add some of the red, and then let's go with primary magenta, and then back with black. And then with blue violet, and then bit more of my cloud mix. I wonder if I should put any more cloud mix in. Maybe not. Maybe we'll skip that and put the gold in instead. And then some more orange. And then which colour should I top it up with? I think that I will. This is what it's looking like now. I think I should add a bit more, or maybe we'll go around one more time. Why not? Right, I'm ready. I don't know if you are, but this is what it looks like. Beautiful colours. Let's start pouring. So I'm going to start pouring. Wish me luck.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay
Oh my, look at how beautiful this sunset cloud pour has turned out. Look at the boulder cells, the beautiful yellow in the middle that turns gradually to the red. I lost some of the colours, but I can see hints of the gold, the 24 karat gold in there, some of the beautiful red, the yellow, some of the violet as well, and it's just stunning. It's gorgeous. What do you guys think? I'd love to hear what you think. So I just noticed it looks the same as my apron, my nebula apron. The colours are the similar colours, which is funny, but yeah, it's really pretty, and yeah, I can't wait to see what it looks like when it dries. This is what it went from. It looked like this with the fingerlings to the end outcome, which I actually like more. This was really pretty as well, but this, I just think it's a stunner for sure, and I'm really, really glad it worked out okay. So I'm going to leave you with this one, and I will see you on Venom Fluid Art's YouTube channel after this. We have the usual lineup with the Fluid Art Express, so do hang on for Creations by Christy, Shanbilly Fluid Art, and Hippy Tippy Painter Man as well later on. So I'll leave you with some music. Thank you for joining me again. I really appreciate all your support. Do leave me a comment about what you think of this one. And if you've given a cloud pour a go or not, and I've left my recipe in the description box below for you. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now.
Taking turns, not a lesson learned. Who'd imagined I would crash and burn? But you got me there, so I'm declaring a silent war. Can't do it anymore. This is not what I was asking for. But you got me here, then you disappeared. Was it always meant